Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about history because history have been made with a all-female radio station. So let's get into this story. It says history was created on Monday, September 30th with the official launch of My Turn Radio, an all-female disc jocks radio platform. The station, whose playlist includes reggae dancehall music, is the brainchild of New York-based Jessica Lawrence, aka DJ Hyten, who is hoping to charge the course of history a second time. The first all-female radio station, WHER, was launched in the US in 1955 and lasted until 1973. I have been getting a lot of calls and received great feedback since we have launched the station. It has been all positive, an elated hypeness told The Gleaner. The Dominican-born DJ disclosed that she was forced to launch the all-female radio platform because of how difficult it was for female DJs like herself to get recognition in a male-dominated media fraternity. The lack of support for female selectors was the biggest motivation for starting the station, she confessed. We needed a platform where we could not be outshined because of big-name male selectors. I must emphasize that this is not a competition with men. It is more for us to have a platform that focuses on females. On the recognizable names on the DJ roster, it is multi-award winning Toronto-based reggae singer Tanya Mullins, who has been involved with the music industry for over 3 decades. In 2010, she became host of the Tanya Mullins Show, which airs Sundays from noon to 3 p.m. on Atlanta's The Flavor Radio. This is history. It feels great to be a part of My Turn Radio. It is the first all-female DJ or host online Caribbean radio station. Queens supporting queens is the greatest feeling. This is one more outlet for me to push good music. I do think the format will be embraced by music lovers globally, Mullins told The Gleaner. She has strong roots in the entertainment industry. Her sister, Carrie Mullins, is the host of Reggae Vibes, which airs on Vibes FM in Toronto, Canada, while her late dad, Carl Mullins, co-founder of the original Caribana Festival in Toronto and was a Peter Touch Memorial Award recipient. He managed the careers of artists like Jackie Mito, Lynn Tite, Hope Towns Lewis, the Cavaliers, the Shakes, and the Cougars. Besides DJ Hypeness and Mullins, the roster includes Empress Breeze, the Juggling Queen, Sister Soldiers, DJ Essie, DJ Diamond, DJ Nas, a former host of RETV, and Drea Ricketts, aka Reese. All of 8 jocks are from various backgrounds, which each bring different credentials to the platform. Hypeness said it took about 9 months to put all the pieces in place for the September launch, and I did not want to rush it. I wanted to be sure I was ready to take this task, and I'm happy I did, she disclosed. And big up to her for doing this. As you guys know, 2019 was Pum Pum Power 2019 for Brains and the Beat. Is all about supporting women and women music and women in the entertainment industry, because a lot of times we are often overlooked because this industry is male dominated. Even where vloggers is concerned, it's also male dominated. But I like to see women stepping out and doing their own thing. I hope they play and rotate a lot of female artists on this platform and give female artists a push more than they do so with male artists. They can play 1 and 2 male artists here and there to mix things up, but I feel like they should push female music a lot more. What are your thoughts on that? Do you think they should push female artists more since they are a female-based group or female-based station? Or do you think that men and women music should be pushed equally? Or do you think it should be mostly female and they can drop in some male music here and there? I personally think it should be mostly female and they can drop in some male music here and there just to spice things up and make things nice. What are your thoughts on this all-female radio station? Do you think it's going to last? Do you think it's going to sustain being in a male-dominated industry? And with so many competitors, because they have so many competitors to compete with, are women are actually going to support, and instead of listening to a male-dominated radio station, actually go in and support this female-dominated radio station? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.